Good morning, everyone. Welcome to July's market review. So, last week was NFP week, so I'm just looking at the markets and trying to figure out what's could be happening this week, right? So I'm just going to share my screen quickly without wasting time. Okay, so we should be on. Okay, first things first, always what we want to do is look at what's happening within the week. All right, so we see that today is the 7th. There's no fundamentals today, but there was USD news Monday. Um, and then Wednesday, tomorrow, there'll be FOMC interest rates, but there's a lot of USD news. And then next week, Tuesday, we have CPI, right? So that's where we look for a good move to happen, right? Um, Yeah. So, but yeah, we focused on this week and next week and see what we expect, right? Let's go to the charts. Okay. So, as always, I like looking at the DXY, the dollar, and seeing what possible is going to happen, right? So, looking at this trend here, there's a bearish trend happening. So, there was like we're coming from a very bullish market, right? We could almost say five wave move, and yeah, and then that's the last one. Then we had some consolidation here. We had some consolidation here, right? And then we had a breakout of that consolidation. Now a retest has happened, and I'm expecting some more moves to the downside, right? Until there. So I'm looking for dollar weakness, right? Cool. Now that we've seen that, I don't analyze a lot of pairs because jack of all trades is master of none. It's better to have the lesser pairs you focus on, the better, so the accuracy is better. Okay. Anyway, that's the dollar, right? So with that said, weakness, I'm expecting the gold here. It has Elliott wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a retracement, right, until this area. And then, so this area is like price was consolidating here. Let me just throw it. Price was consolidating here, right? Because it kept on hitting there, hitting there, hitting there. Then it broke out of there. So I expect price to come back where it has broken out. I expect price to come back there, touch before going to the upside. So we're looking for bulls, but price must come down here to touch this zone and before being bullish. But yeah, we're expecting obviously bulls on gold. We're just waiting for that price to come tap here. Okay, so that confirms dollar also weakness. Then USD CAD, I see is a nice pair, triple top. Then we're moving to the downside, straightforward. We're coming from a bullish move. I'm expecting dollar weakness here as well, right? Um, BTC USD, it's all at the top of the trend line. So if I'm looking for dollar weakness, I'm expecting a breakout, something like, just wait, looking for that path. So I'm looking for something like that to happen, retest, then we go to the upside. So we coming, yeah, we came down, set on this trend, double bottom, even here, double bottom. This has been support, expecting some breakout to happen. So it's either a buy here at support here at the bottom or breakout retest support here, but I'm not selling this because I'm looking for USD weakness, right? Then USD JPY has been on a bullish trend. It's mid-month, mid-year, sorry. It's like 6 months have gone. I'm expecting the other 6 months to be bearish on USD JPY. So I'm expecting price now to start dropping from here. So JPY strength basically. And looking at the JPY index quickly. Let's look at it properly. Expected it to buy here, but it didn't. It dropped lower, so it has broken the low. So I'm expecting can nothing can go down forever. So I'm expecting JPY strength. I'm looking and paying attention to that because it's going to be a long run. So if we enter properly, we can hold the trade for long on JPY pairs. So now, yeah, we're sitting at some resistance and we're looking for sells, which also complies with USD weakness, right? So I've analyzed those. Euro USD, that's the trend. Looking for it to go higher. Come touch there, right? But yeah, wouldn't be wise to enter in the middle of nowhere. Either wait for there or break and retest, right? Um, Odd, I've been looking for odd strength. It hasn't been coming. I'm paying very close attention to odd. Some head and shoulders level here, 61.8, probably fib zone from there to there, 50 to 61.8. So I'm expecting there then the drop to come on GBP odd and all odd pairs to be like odd to be strong. I'm looking for odd strength. Then just USD ZAR for the sake of knowing if the exchange rate will be strong. Price always bounces off here in this box. Support, 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 support at this level, which is 16.9, 16.20. When I zoom in closer, when I zoom in closer, there's a box. I'm waiting for the breakout retest to go to the upside, but it's been consolidating here, I'd say. So yeah, I'm looking for the breakout retests to buy USD ZAR. Yes, I said I'm bearish dollar, but yeah, USD ZAR is a special one. Doesn't correlate really with all the other pairs. And then another interesting factor was crude oil, right? We could have made money out of this because when there was a war between Iran and USA that pushed prices of gas up, and then they did a ceasefire when the World Cup started now in June, and just had agreements, and then this has been dropping back to normal levels. So these are like normal levels of price now. So yeah, in conclusion, we're looking for dollar weakness. So let's see how it goes. Um, by the way, if there's anything you need to inquire about, just go to tradingempire.co.za, contact us. There's the WhatsApp, that's the YouTube channel, that's the Instagram, that's the mail. You can mail us. And yeah, whatever you need, we will help you with. So yeah, there's this thing that I'm gonna start soon where I'm teaching people how to deal with brokers, how to be a professional IB, and yeah, a lot more, than just teaching you how to be how to trade. Now I'm going to teach you the business side of it because there's a lot to forex more than just IP business. I mean, more than just trading. So this is where I teach you. You just click there, then it will send you somewhere where we can communicate and start the course. But other than that, yeah, that's the market review. Good luck. Cheers.